Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. As this vlog is first in 2024, I would like to wish you Happy New Year to all of you. And yeah, long time there was no any layover vlog, that's why I'm coming to you with one. And today I'm going to take you with me to Zurich. It's not first Zurich vlog on this channel. I will link you somewhere here the previous one, so you can check what happened on the previous vlog from Zurich. But this time I would like to show you the chocolate factory from Lindt, which is quite famous. That's the plan, that's my idea, what I want to do on this layover. And yeah, and plus on this flight to Zurich, they're going to be one of my friends flying together with me. One of my batchmates, also Polish guy, so for sure we're going to have fun. And yeah, so as you see, I'm already in my uniform, ready, steady to go. And yeah, let's proceed. Let's go. Hello, I'm ready for my trip. I had my power nap. I'm ready to pick up the crew, I mean to meet them in the lobby. We are going to chocolate factory. I was never there, so I hope we're going to have a nice trip. I'm going to have also a very nice team. A few people going to join me. So yes. What else would I wanted to show you? Like funny thing in this room, like on the wall there is like a map of whole Zurich, and once you see the red pin, this is the place where I am, and I will go all this way to the right, and I'm going to change my train there. I will show you. So basically I have to take a train from there all this way. This point I'm going to change the train, walk a little bit, and boom, go there further, but the wall is not enough. I have to go in the middle of this lake, because here's the lake. I have to go to the middle of the lake, and there is the chocolate factory. I'm very excited for this trip. Let's go. This is my winter setup, as it's cold outside, and yeah, I'm ready. I'm going to the lobby to meet the rest of the guys, and we're going to catch the train. See you later. My team today. First one.
Hello everyone, my name is Kamil and I am...
You are?
Oh, you're taking so long.
Okay, one more time. Cut it, because I had to think who I am. I forgot who I am.
Before 10 p.m.
I forgot who I am. Yeah, my name is Kamil, nice to meeting you guys.
Okay, and something else?
Okay, so basically I'm from Poland as well as Karo, yeah.
Oh my god.
Basically, yeah. And we are very happy because we are going to the Lindt factory right now.
Oh yeah.
With the team, and the rest of the team are.
Hello, Marco.
Who is the rest of the team?
Hello, I'm Natasha from Serbia, too lazy to open an umbrella.
And
Hello, Marco from Italy. Buongiorno.
Italy!
Come stai?
Why my introduction was too long? Like, I
Yeah, very
Because you are attention seeker, that's why.
Yes,
no,
yes,
I forgot who I am. Come on.
sugar in my blood.
Marco suggested to go to the pharmacy before we go to the chocolate factory. You know why? Why?
Insulin.
Because of the insulin.
Insulin is the
We need a
secret.
bunch of injections
Insulin is the
for
future.
insulin.
Hello.
We are in the chocolate.
So this is probably the cacao which they are
Plantation
using.
of the coca.
Yeah, I mean we can check, but we are too lazy to do that, right? Oh, look
Yes,
at
we have this little thing which we can listen to it, but we are even lazy to do that.
Hey, this is actually so cool. Look, because they are showing you the roots of the cacao.
Is that real tree? No, it's fake.
Obviously.
Looks cool. Let me show you how does it work. So basically you take this little thing, you scan it, you press play and you listen. And it talks about the place, about the story, in particular station. Blah blah blah, you cannot hear it.
So what's this?
I don't know.
Oh. It's a game.
No, it's the story.
No, it's a game.
Oh yeah, it's a game.
You have to... What you have to do? This?
Yes.
Oh, this is cool.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh yes. Look at him! Such a passion in his eyes.
You will get 1 kg of
That's
chocolate
it?
per year if you...
Oh yes.
Chocolate biryani. Hey, this one, come on. This one is broken.
It's a scam.
It's a scam.
And what's your price?
Which is the reward?
And?
What Maya thinks about your...
This is man.
Bravo, 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 bravo. Finally, this is what we like the most, which is
That's why we
tasty.
came, what we came for.
More? Oh my god, I'm gonna be fat. I'm like 20 kg plus. First one. This one's cute. I've never tried this one actually.
This is with gold, you see?
Sea salt caramel is very nice.
That's something new. Raspberry and cream.
This one I've tried, is really nice.
Double chocolate. %70 coca. Yay!
Happy? Happy?
And then we will do taste test.
Excuse me, you just took my space.
Catch it!
This one is good.
I think my sugar, I like this one.
Bite it. Let's try. Guys, this is already time for insulin. Where is our injections?
Next stop, pharmacy.
Look what I have in my bag. I had 3 and I cannot anymore. The sugar level in my blood is insane. Kamil, now is your turn.
Come on, Dad. Dad, give me tea. Wait, let me count. Look. They have to go this side. I saw that side. Monkeys when they come back.
Happy kiddo!
Jola, twoja teraz.
Kamil won prize for me, which is orange chocolate.
I was waiting in this queue just to get the chocolate.
Orange. More sweets, we ain't not enough. Not enough. Sweets, more. Kamil, you owe us explanation where you brought us after Chocolate Factory.
I brought us to amazing bar right now for some drinks, to chill out. Guys, you are all amazing. Good vibes only.
I just don't know what to say.
Of course.
And you order.
Mashallah.
what a day it was. Wow, that was one of the best layover I had since actually a while. I had very nice time. I was walking a lot, I had fun a lot of fun. My god, I had such an amazing team with me. These people, really, I love them. It was amazing to work with them, plus the layover. Natasha, Kamil, Marco, thank you so much. I had great time. If not you, this layover would be completely different. I had such a fun with you. It's not normal. It's already late with me. What's the time? It's after 10 p.m. I have to still pack my stuff, shower, sleep, and in the morning I have to be back to work because I'm flying back to Abu Dhabi. I don't know if I will have time still to talk to you tomorrow. If not, then yeah, thank you for watching this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and leave some thumbs ups. And yeah, if I have time, like I said, I'll contact you tomorrow. If not, I'm going to say bye. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.